What's up, K-Divas, and welcome back to the channel. This week this is going to be a compilation video where I share 9 projects in terms of shorts and pants that you could make for the summer season. These range from beginner to intermediate projects, and I'm going to be linking all of the tutorials in the description box down below so you can go check them out. But with that being said, let's get into this video. In no particular order, we're starting off with this DIY fitted shorts. These I made, I believe, 2 years ago, give or take. And I shared how to create the patterns, cutting and stitching everything together. And I think the fabric is what made these shorts really interesting on, because of the combination of different prints and lines on it. It just came out really cool. And I just used this scrap fabric to tie that top around my chest. That's basically what I'm wearing in this particular clip here. Number 2 is this gathered flare pants I made ages, when I say ages ago, but I still think these are such a cool and fun project. It's an interesting way to combine different types of fabrics in similar weights, so you can have this like fitted silhouette around your thigh, and then you gather the bottom part of the pants around the knee, and this bow detail just makes it even cooler. I love how these came out. They don't fit anymore though, but I think they're such a cool project that you could have fun with for the summer or even the fall season ahead. Next up on my list is number 3, which is a pair of skirts. I received a lot of DMs and emails asking me to make a pair of skirts. I have made one, guys. It's right here. So it's basically when you have a pair of shorts underneath, and then you could have a skirt over or a flap in the front. So from the front it looks like you're wearing a skirt, but from the back you see the pair of shorts. These I made during lockdown, if I remember correctly. They're still somewhat fit, and I still think they're really cool. The fabric here, it came like this. I did not do all this combination that you can see here. The fabric actually came like that, so I just had fun with the placement of the fabric and the flap, so it looks like everything kind of flows together from the front, where that extension bit that covers the front of the shorts, to the back where you can actually see that you're wearing a pair of shorts. Number 4 is one of my favorite pair of trousers till date, and it is wide leg pants. These I actually wore on my honeymoon. They are so comfortable, and the waist is elasticated. It has pockets. Is so comfy on. These are the kind of pants that I like to wear when I know I'm going to eat and I want my belly to breathe. This you can style with whatever kind of top you're feeling like, something crop or tuck like a bodysuit or a longer top in. But I am a huge fan of wide leg pants, because as a girl who has fuller thighs, there are just days when I don't just want to wear anything that will be touching me or rubbing me, and I would always gravitate towards wide leg or palazzo pants, similar to this one here. As I mentioned earlier on, all tutorials are going to be linked down below. Number 5 is a simple pair of high waist leggings. I think what made this project interesting is my choice of fabric. This fabric was sent to me by an American brand called African Stretch Fabrics, and the lady specializes in doing stretch fabrics, but you know, with that Afrocentric feel, which is what made these really cool. I like to wear this with like a white top or a black top, and I also made like a matching dress. So on days I'm feeling really daring, I'll actually wear the top and the bottom together. It can be a bit much, but I just love how comfortable these leggings actually fit. Next up on my list is a pair of paper bag shorts. The pattern for this project was actually sent to me by a black-owned business that specializes in doing sewing kits. I'm going to link that down below as well. And she had this concept where each month is a different project, and you get like the fabric and the sewing patterns and everything that you need. And for this particular month, it was a pair of paper bag shorts, and this fabric was from an African country, locally made, locally sourced, and these are so comfy on. The waist is elasticated, it has pockets, there's a ribbon that you can tie around the waist, and I think what I really like about this is the turn up effect that it has on the bottom. I think that detail is quite cool, and just makes any pair of like trouser on shorts look even, I don't know, smarter, if I say so. Number 7 is a pair of boot cut pants. I made these not too long ago. This is an intermediate level project that took, I'll say, 6 to 7 hours to make, because it is fully lined, it has pockets, and the zip sits on the center back. This I wore with a simple cream top. I no longer wear these because I don't know, my style just keeps changing from month to month, year to year. But this is a very, very cool project that you could even do in plain fabric. If you don't want to do this like bold fabric choice I have done here, you can do this in plain denim or any plain cotton that suits your preference and would fit into your wardrobe perfectly. Next on my list is a pair of cargo pants. This project received so much love. I think it's because cargo pants are really trendy. Cargo pants, cargo skirts, cargo anything. Basically, I decided to create this project where it was kind of like loose trouser fit, but it had the cargo pockets on the side. I also made sure that the zip was on the front with a fly as well. Really nice waistband, 2 buttons, and even like this like curved pockets in the front as well. This turned out really, really nice. I was very proud of how this came out, because the thing with pants is if the fit does not look good, it looks weird on, and these are so comfy. They sit really nice on the waist. It's kind of like between a high rise and a mid rise, so it's above my belly button, hence why I can wear it with a crop top without feeling too self-conscious. And I had so much fun making this project. The final pair of pants on my list is this front pleat pants. Honestly, I think the print does not really show the pleat on the front of these pants, but the way this design works is there is a pleat that goes across the front, halfway concealing the leg. You can't really see it in this Ankara print I used here, but the idea is wide leg, and then there's a front flap or pleat that goes across, as you can see here. And this, I would say, you can have fun with. Do it with prints, do it with plain fabric, whatever you feel comfortable with. Honestly, this I ended up fixing a zip on the side. It didn't have any pockets, but you can add pockets to yours in same pocket if you decide to do so. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this compilation video. I like to do these from time to time. What compilation should we do next? I know I've done dresses, I've done basic bodies. Leave a comment down below on which type of garment or which kind of pattern compilation video we should do next. I'll possibly make that happen. Until next time, have a good morning, afternoon, and evening wherever you are. Bye.